हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। तो आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 72 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वहाँ से आप डिटेल वीडियो देख कर ही आप इस क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो को देखें। ऐसे भी देखेंगे तो आपको कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। तो एनटीए अभ्यास के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर सकते हैं। और इस इस टेस्ट के भी पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है, उसके लिए आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पे चेक कर सकते हैं, नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी सर्च करके टेलीग्राम चैनल पे। तो अगर इस वीडियो का क्वालिटी अगर आपको लो लगे तो आप वीडियो डर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लें क्रोम से, उसके बाद वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन दिखेगा एचडी क्वालिटी में। ओके, तो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं बायो से, देना आएंगे केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है, नेम द प्रोसेस मच थ्रू विच मच नीडेड ऑक्सीजन इज सप्लाइड टू ऑल द सेल्स ऑफ बॉडी। तो आंसर हमारा ए होगा डिफ्यूजन। डिफ्यूजन इज द नेट मूवमेंट ऑफ एनीथिंग फ्रॉम अ रीजन ऑफ हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू अ रीजन ऑफ लोअर कंसंट्रेशन। डिफ्यूजन इज ड्रिवन बाय a gradient in concentration. Roots of which of these plants contain a pigment which creates an anaerobic condition for a specific enzyme to function। आंसर यहाँ पे बी होगा, सोयाबीन, यानी कि जो भी फैबेसी फैमिली के होते हैं वो होंगे। लेग होमोग्लोबिन इज पिंक पिगमेंट फाउंड इन रूट नोड्यूल्स ऑफ लेगुमिनस प्लांट where rhizobium is present. It functions as oxygen scavenger and creates an anaerobic condition for nitrogenase enzyme to function. Soybean is a legume plant, so it contains leg hemoglobin in its root nodules. थर्ड यहाँ पे है, इन द लीव्स ऑफ सी फोर प्लांट्स मैलिक एसिड फॉर्मेशन ड्यूरिंग CO2 फिक्सेशन अकर्स इन द सेल्स ऑफ। तो मैलिक एसिड जो फॉर्मेशन होता है वो हमारा म्यूजोफिल सेल में होते हैं। The in C4 plants, initial fixation of carbon dioxide occurs in mesophyll cells. Initial CO2 acceptor is 3 carbon PEP and the first stable compound is 4 carbon malic acid. The P50 of myoglobin is less than P50 of adult hemoglobin. Okay. The affinity of the adult hemoglobin of oxygen is, आंसर हमारा ए होगा, is less than myoglobin. Myoglobin has a higher affinity of oxygen and hence it retards and release of the oxygen, but hemoglobin is a more efficient oxygen carrier. Since its affinity for oxygen is lower, and because of this is correspondingly release the oxygen essentially to the correct areas of the body. The P50 represents the partial pressure of at which hemoglobin is 50% saturated with oxygen, and normal P50 is 27 mmHg. P50 provides a quantifying relation of the hemoglobin's affinity willingness to bond with oxygen, and this is reflected in the shifts of the dissociation curve. Right shift जो होता है, hemoglobin has decreased affinity, increased P50 takes more oxygen to reach 50% higher partial pressure to get 50% saturated. Left shift जो है, increased affinity, decreased P50, less oxygen to reach 50% less partial pressure to get 50% saturated. Carbon dioxide joins the photosynthetic pathway in, answer will be D, light independent reaction. Photosynthesis consists of two steps. In light reaction, light energy is trapped to form ATP, and in dark reaction, carbon dioxide is reduced to form glucose. The dark reaction or Blackman's reaction or biosynthetic phase involves three steps. First, fixation of CO2, second, reduction of CO2, and third, synthesis of glucose. It is independent of light, but product of light reaction are consumed. Which of the following is the intermediate compound linking glycolysis to the Krebs cycle? Answer will be acetyl-CoA. During glycolysis, pyruvic acid is produced from glucose and is oxidatively decarboxylated to form acetyl-CoA. The oxidation of pyruvic acid occurs inside the matrix of mitochondria and is called as link reaction. It results in production of two molecules of CO2 and two molecules of NADH2. The acetyl-CoA is completely oxidized during Krebs cycle. Thus, acetyl-CoA acts as the linker of glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Which of the following is the central part of a stomach containing the Highest number of gastric glands. Answer will be C. Body of stomach. The body of stomach has abundance of gastric gland which secrete maximum amount of digestive enzyme in stomach. Which of the following is a region that contribute to the success of Mendel in his hybridization experiment? Answer D. Consideration of one character at one time. Mendel studied inheritance uh, character of a single character at a time. Consideration of one character at a one time contribute to the success of Mendel. He made mathematical and statistical analysis of the data he collected, and large sampling size gave greater credibility to the data he collected. The type of placenta with a unilocular ovary and a single ovule. Answer will be basal. Explanation: the basal placentation, the ovary is bicarpellary, syncarpous and unilocular, and the single ovule is born at the base of ovary. Basal placentation is the most advanced type of placentation. It is observed in most advanced family like Asteraceae and Poaceae. प्लासेंटेशन के सारे ट्रिक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं, उस लिंक पे आप क्लिक करके प्लासेंटेशन के बेस्ट ट्रिक देख सकते हैं. The cork cambium, cork and secondary cortex are collectively called. Answer C. Periderm. During secondary growth in extracellular region, hypodermis or outer cortical cells, a layer becomes meristematic which is known as cork cambium or phellogen. The phellogen also cuts off cells both on its outer side and inner side. The cells cut off on outer side are phloem or cork cells, and cells are cut off on inner side are phelloderm or secondary cortex. Phloem, phellogen and phelloderm collectively constitute periderm. Which of the following is not related to the adrenal gland? Answer will be D. Adrenal cortex also secrete gonadotropins. Explanation: the adrenal cortex produces several hormones. Important ones are aldosterone, a mineralocorticoid, cortisol, a glucocorticoid, and androgen and estrogen, sex hormones. The gonadotropins LH and FSH are secreted by the anterior pituitary, which stimulates the secretion of hormones from gonads such as testes and ovaries. Sequence of taxonomy categories is answer C. Division, class, order, uh, division, class, order, family, tribe, जीनस, स्पीसीज. यहाँ पे एक बात ध्यान देने की है, यहाँ पे जो फैमिली और जीनस के बीच में ट्राइब आएगा. ओके. Explanation: to construct the hierarchy of classification, one or more species are grouped into genus, one or more family genera into a family, families are clubbed into order, orders into class, classes into phylum, and various phyla into kingdom. Which of the following is free living aerobic non-photosynthetic nitrogen fixing bacterium? Answer will be D. Azotobacter. Azotobacter is free living aerobic non-photosynthetic bacteria which carries out nitrogen fixation. Nostoc is cyanobacteria which carry out nitrogen fixation in both free living and in symbiotic state. Rhizobium forms symbiotic association with root nodules of leguminous plants. Rhodospirillum carries out nitrogen fixation in anaerobic condition. Which of the following is a hormone responsible for the regulation of blood glucose level? Answer A. Tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine. The basal metabolic rate (BMR) is determined by two hormones produced by the thyroid gland: thyroxine, also known as tetraiodothyronine or T4, and triiodothyronine is also known as T3. These hormones increase the ATP production, which with activating the genes involved in energy production and glucose oxidation. This increased rates of metabolism and body heat production is known as the calorigenic effect. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Answer A. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria, have similar structured cell wall. ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी B, C, D सही है. Mesozymes perform the function of mitochondria in bacteria. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. The structures that help some bacteria to attach to rocks and or host tissue are fimbriae. Explanation: Archaebacteria differs from eubacteria in cell wall and cell membrane characteristics. The cell wall lacks peptidoglycan and consists of complex non-cellulosic polysaccharide. Cell membrane consists of branched lipid which decreases fluidity and increases thermal stability. Select the incorrect from the following. Answer B. Viroids consists of protein coat. Explanation: Viroids discovered by Theo Diner are a small naked RNA which are not surrounded by protein coat. These are the smallest pathogen which causes disease only in plants. An internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours is regulated by. Answer A. Melatonin. Melatonin is secreted by the pineal gland in the brain. In a healthy, normally functioning individual, melatonin is released in a rhythmic cycle, with more melatonin produced at night when the light entering the eyes starts to diminish. The bloodstream carries it to the different areas of the body where receptors pick up the melatonin to and signal the need for sleep. Select the incorrect statement from the following. ए यहाँ पे है वन ऑफ द मेजर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सेल वाला फंजा इज काइटिन, सही है. बी यहाँ पे कर लाइकिन इज अ कंपोजिट ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन ऑफ एल्गी एंड फंजाई होगा, यहाँ पे प्लाज्मोडियम है इसलिए गलत होगा. ईस्ट इज टू मेकिंग ब्रेड एंड बियर इज अ फंगस, सही है. माइक्रोराइजा इज सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन फंजाई एंड रूट्स ऑफ हायर प्लांट्स. ओके. Lichen are composite organisms in which algae and fungi live symbiotically. Algal partner is called phycobiont and the fungal partner is called mycobiont. In this mutualistic interaction, both algae and fungi gets benefit from the interaction, and this interaction is obligatory for survival of lichen. Which of the following is true for life cycle of bryophytes? Answer will be B. Dominant haploid multicellular gametophyte which alternates with diploid sporophyte. In Bryophyta, main plant body is haploid gametophyte which alternates with a small dependent sporophyte. Gametophyte is multicellular green and photosynthetic, but the sporophytes lacks independent existence and depends on gametophyte completely or partially. How many organisms show diplontic life cycle? Selaginella, Equisetum, Cycas, Cedrus, Ectocarpus, Fucus, Sequoia. आंसर बी सी. इसमें से फोर जो है वो डिप्लोंटिक करते हैं. इन डिप्लोनिक लाइफ साइकिल मेन प्लांट बॉडी इज डिप्लॉयड sporophyte and gametophyte is a small not free living structure. Diploiding life cycle occurs in gymnosperm, angiosperm and some brown algae. Cycas, Cedrus and Sequoia are gymnosperm. Okay. Fucus is a brown algae which shows डिप्लोंटिक लाइफ साइकिल, यानी कि इसमें साइकस, सिड्रस, सिकोहिया और फ्यूकस जो होंगे चारों वो हमारा डिप्लोंटिक लाइफ साइकिल शो करेगा. What is true about monocot leaf? Answer C. Mesophyll not differentiated into palisade and spongy tissue. In monocot leaf is isobilateral leaf in which mesophyll cells are not differentiated into palisade and spongy tissues, but there is well differentiated mesophyll cells in dicot leaf. Also in the upper epidermis there are some large cells found in groups which are called bulliform cells. The venation pattern in monocot is parallel. Which of the following levels show the only repolarization wave in the given diagram? Answer will be C, T. The P wave represents the depolarization of the left and right atrium and also corresponds to arterial contraction. The QRS complex represents the electrical impulses as it spreads through the ventricles and indicates ventricular depolarization. T wave follows the QRS complex and indicates ventricular repolarization. Segregation of Mendelian factor A, capital A, small a occurs during. Answer B. NAFH first. Segregation of Mendelian factor capital A small a occurs during NAFH first. The paired homologous chromosomes separate during NAFH1 in meiosis 1 so that each gamete receives only one chromosome of each homologous pair. This disjunction of chromosomal pair leads to segregation of Mendelian factors present on them. Epithelial tissue which lines the spinal cord is known as answer C. Ependymal cells. Ependyma is the thin epithelium-like lining of the ventricular system of the brain and the central canal of the spinal cord. Ependyma is one of the four types of neuroglia in the central nervous system (CNS). It is involved in the production of cerebrospinal fluid. Select the number of correct statements from the following. First, cell plate formation occurs in plant cell during cytokinesis. Second, यहाँ पे है during cytokinesis mitochondria and plastid gets distributed between two daughter cells in mitosis. Third, liquid endosperm is in coconut is syncytium. Fourth, furrow formation occurs in animal cell during cytokinesis. तो सारे जो स्टेटमेंट है वो सही है यानी कि आंसर होगा D4. Water potential is equal to answer D psi W equal to psi S plus psi P. Water potential is the difference in the free energy or chemical potential per unit molar volume of water in a system that of pure water at the same temperature and pressure. Water potential is represented by Greek letter psi or psi W. Water potential is the sum of psi S and psi P. Therefore, psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. Next. In cockroaches, the sclerites are joined to each other by answer A thin and flexible articular membrane. The body of cockroach is segmented and divisible into three. Sorry. The body of cockroach is segmented and divisible into three segmented and divisible into three distinct regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The entire body is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton, brown in color. In each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates called sclerites, tergites dorsally and sternites ventrally, that are joined to each other by a thin and flexible articular membrane, arthodial membrane. Terminal cytochrome of respiratory chain which donates electrons to oxygen is answer D cytochrome A3. Cytochrome A3 helps in transfer of electron to oxygen. Complex 4 of ETS consists of cytochrome A, cytochrome A3 and enzyme cytochrome oxidase which transfers electron to terminal electron acceptor oxygen. The oxygen has great affinity to accept the electrons and in presence of protons a water molecule is formed. Rohu and mackerel are variety of answer D. Rohu is fresh water but mackerel is marine fish. Treatment of seeds at low temperature under moist condition uh, to break its dormancy is called. तो आंसर हमारा यहाँ होगा सी यानी कि वर्नलाइजेशन. यहाँ जो है ये गलत है क्वेश्चन. 30 का यहाँ पे सी होना चाहिए. वर्नलाइजेशन इन्वॉल्व्स, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं. मुझे तो यही लगता है वर्नलाइजेशन ही होगा. तो इसका आंसर सी होना चाहिए. वर्नलाइजेशन इन्वॉल्व्स द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ seeds at lower temperature 5 to 10 degrees Celsius under sufficiently moist condition to break its dormancy and to induce germination. Stratification. एक बार आप देख के बताना, ठीक है? कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताना कि दूसरे बच्चों को भी हेल्प हो जाए. तो stratification involves the treatment of seed at low temperature under sufficiently moist condition to break its dormancy and induce germination. Stratification is a process by which seeds are pretreated to stimulate winter conditions so that germination may occur. Low temperature given to plant to induce flowering is called vernalization. Okay. The degradation of the सही लग रहा है वैसे. The degradation of the seed coat is called scarification. Okay. The process permits water to pass through the seed coat so that embryo can begin metabolism. If we observe the structure of proteins, disulfide bonds are formed between answer A cysteine residues that are close together. Cysteine amino acids are the sulfur containing amino acids and are involved in the formation of disulfide bonds. The most effective method of contraception is answer B. Tubal ligation. Tubal ligation is the cutting and ligation of oviduct which prevents the transportation of ovum to prevent fertilization. Is the best method of contraception. Sterilization procedure in female is called tubectomy. In tubectomy, a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. This technique is highly effective, but the reversibility is very poor. When a diploid female plant is crossed with a tetraploid male, the ploidy of endosperm cells in the resulting seed is answer will be A. Tetraploidy. Endosperm is formed due to fusion of the haploid male gamete with the two polar nuclei of the myriad, but in this case the male plant is tetraploid, so that its gamete would be diploid. When these diploid gametes fuse with two polar nuclei of the embryo sac, the resultant endosperm would be tetraploid. Nucellar embryo or the embryo formed by the cells of nucellus is answer will be D. Apomictic diploid. Nucellar embryo is apomictic diploid. Apomixis is a method of asexual reproduction which mimics sexual reproduction in seed formation without gametic fusion and fertilization. In this process, embryo develops from some other tissue without fertilization. Example, nucellus or integuments or in fertilized egg. Nucellus is a diploid tissue, so nucellar embryo is apomictic diploid. Hu- Human placental lactogen, relaxin, progesterone, and estrogens are secreted from answer A. Placenta. Placenta is defined as a temporary, intimate mechanical and physiological connection between fetal and maternal tissue for the nutrition, respiration, and excretion of the fetus. Placenta acts as a temporary endocrine gland whose chorion layer is responsible for secretion of many hormones like HPL, HCG, progesterone, estrogen, etc. Study the following statements and select the option with correct statement. First, a lion eating a deer and a sparrow feeding on grains are ecologically similar in being consumers. Second, predator starfish pigaster helps in maintaining species diversity of the some invertebrates. दोनों सही है फर्स्ट और सेकेंड. थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि predators ultimately leads to the extinction of prey species, तो ये गलत है. Production of chemicals such as nicotine by the plants are metabolic disorders, तो ये भी गलत है हमारा. ओके. Which of the following structures of seminiferous tubules is responsible for the release of androgen hormone and are stimulated by the action of luteinizing hormone? Answer C. Leydig cell, a hormone made in the pituitary gland. In females, it acts on the ovaries to make follicles release their eggs and to make hormones that get the uterus ready for a fertilized egg to be implanted. In males, it acts on the testes to cause cells to grow and make testosterone, also called LHICSH, luteinizing hormone, and lutotropin. चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. आंसर हमारा बी होगा. मॉब कलर्ड फ्लावर्स आर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट प्रोबेमैटिक वीड, यानी कि ये बता रहा है कॉर्निया के बारे में. ब्यूटीफुल मॉब कलर्ड फ्लावर्स आर फाउंड ऑन वेरी appealingly shaped floating plants in water bodies. These plants, which are introduced in India for the lovely flowers, have caused havoc by their excessive growth by causing blocks in our waterways. They grow faster than our ability to remove them. These are plants of water hyacinth, Eichhornia crassiceps, the world's most problematic aquatic weed, also called terror of Bengal. They grow abundantly in eutrophic water bodies and lead to an imbalance in the ecosystem. Dynamics of the water body. Which of the following statements is correct? Answer will be C. Rolfia vomitoria growing in different Himalayan range produces an active chemical called reserpine. Which of the following endocrine glands is responsible for the release of hormones which cause uterine contractions during childbirth? Answer D. Pituitary gland. Oxytocin is a hormone secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Which order is correct for with respect to biodiversity of the species? सबसे ज़्यादा एंजियोस्पर्म होगा, उसके बाद फंजाई, देन एल्गी, उसके बाद लाइकेन. Angiosperms has maximum diversity followed by fungi and algae. Lichens are dual organisms and show minimum diversity. They are restricted to specific places only. In which of the following assisted reproductive technique the cryopreserved semen is utilized to achieve fertilization? Answer A. Intrauterine insemination. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Answer will be D. Secondary productivity equal to GPP minus R. तो ये हमारा गलत होगा. बाकी ए बी और सी सही है. वर्टिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ डिफरेंट स्पेसीज ऑक्युपाइंग डिफरेंट लेवल्स इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन. सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्टिविटी is defined as the rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers, or leaching is the breakdown detritus into smaller particles. Secondary productivity is the quantity of biomass produced at level of consumer. GPP is gross primary productivity, its total quantity of organic matter produced by producers. GPP minus R respiratory loss gives net primary productivity, not secondary productivity. Which of the following is manufactured by CDRI Lucknow? Saheli, non-steroidal consecutive pills, once a week. Which of the following, which of these plants follow the CAM pathway for photosynthesis? Answer C. Plants with sunken stomata. Rheumatoid arthritis is an example of. Answer C. Autoimmune disorder. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic, long-lasting inflammatory disease that causes pain, stiffness, warmth, redness, and swelling in joints. The transgenic animals are those which have. Answer C. Uh, Foreign DNA segments present in all its cells. The first clinical gene therapy was given by treating. Answer D. Adenosine deaminase deficiency. The infamous name Mary Malone is associated as a carrier of. Answer A. Salmonella typhi, a bacterium जो टाइफाइड को कॉज करता है. In the given segment DNA strand, the base sequence on the opposite strands are same when read in opposite direction. Such sequences are known as. Answer D. Palindromic sequence of base pairs. The most abundant antibody in colostrum is. Answer A. Immunoglobulin A. Select the incorrect statement. Answer will be C. Insertional inactivation of beta galactosidase leads to blue color of colonies. ये हमारा गलत होगा. और ये जो क्वेश्चन है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में भी आ चुका है 70 नंबर में ही. तो कह रहा है यहाँ पे ए सिलेक्शन ऑफ, शायद 71 में आया हुआ. सिलेक्शन ऑफ रिकम्बिनेंट्स, बाकी ए बी और डी जो है सही है. सिलेक्शन ऑफ रिकम्बिनेंट्स ड्यू टू इनएक्टिवेशन ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक इज अ cumbersome procedure. Insertional inactivation of beta galactosidase leads to colorless colorless colonies, or in insertional activation the rDNA inserted within the colony coding sequence of the enzyme beta galactosidase. The PUC plasmid having lack Z gene as selectable marker, it produces enzyme beta galactosidase. If bacteria having PUC plasmid is grown in medium having chromogenic substrate, then non-recombinants produces colorless colonies, and in recombinants due to insertional inactivation, beta galactosidase is not produced, thus colorless colonies are produced. Which of the following feature is associated with Cro-Magnon man? Answer will be C. Cave painting and domestication of animals. Discovered in 1868, Cro-Magnon was among the first fossils to be recognized as belonging to uh, our own species, Homo sapiens. This famous fossil skull is from one of several modern human skeletons found at the famous rock shelter site at Cro-Magnon near the village of Les Ijaz, France. Paintings were discovered in rock shelter of Bhimbetka. Match the column of bioactive substance and their rows and select the correct option. ओके, इसका भी हमने ट्रिक बना रखा है और ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछ चुका है, इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो फर्स्ट का यहाँ पे बायोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस है और रोल है। फर्स्ट स्टैटिन का होगा सी यानी कि लोअरिंग ऑफ ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल। सेकेंड का डी यानी कि साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए का होगा इम्यूनोसप्रेसिव एजेंट। थर्ड का बी यानी स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज का होगा बी रिमूवल ऑफ क्लॉट्स फ्रॉम ब्लड वेसल्स। और फोर का ए यानी लाइपेज का removal of vial stains. Okay, statin is blood cholesterol lowering agent. It competitively inhibit enzyme responsible for synthesis of cholesterol. Cyclosporin A is immunosuppressive agent which is used to inhibit immune system in organ transplant patient. Streptokinase is used to remove blood clots from blood vessels, thus used as clot buster. Lipase is used to remove oil stains from laundry. The concept of chemical evolution is based on answer C, possible origin of life by combination of chemicals under suitable environmental conditions. The concept of chemical evolution is based on possible origin of life by combination of chemical under suitable environment conditions. The distribution of elements in the cosmos is the result of many processes in the history of universe. It provides us with a powerful tool to study the Big Bang, the density of baryonic matter, nucleosynthesis, and the formation and evolution of stars and galaxies. Out of 64 codons, 61 code for 20 types of amino acids. The characteristics of gene code is called answer A, degeneracy of genetic code. There are 64 codons to specify 20 amino acids. Since number of codon is more than number of amino acids to be specified, one amino acid can be coded by more than one codon. This nature is called as degeneracy of genetic code. According to Darwin, a new species arises due to which of the following two factors? Answer A, natural selection and branching descent. Mutation is a sudden or developed change in genetic sequence discovered by Hugo de Veris. Useful variation helps an organism to utilize its resources more efficiently so that its chances of survival increases and it may produce more progeny to evolve new population. Which of the following step of translation does not consume a high energy phosphate bond or ATP? Answer will be A, peptidyl transferase reaction. During translation, first amino acid methionine lies at the P site of the ribosome. The next incoming tRNA called amino acyl tRNA. It is bound to A site. A peptide bond is formed between COOH group and tRNA at P site and NH2 group of amino acyl tRNA. This is facilitated by the enzyme peptidyl transferase and does not require high energy phosphate bonds. Another name for the wrist bones is answer B, carpals. All are correct with respect to the human genome project except. तो ये यहाँ पे ए बी सी सही है, यानी कि इट्स गोल वाज टू डिटरमाइन द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द 3 million केमिकल बेस पेयर्स दैट मेक अप ह्यूमन डीएनए. Synovitis, elegans and Arabidopsis are the non-human model organisms that have been sequenced. The sequence of chromosome 1 was completed only in May 2006. This was the last of the 24 human chromosomes to be sequenced. और डी यहाँ पे गलत है. 14 मिलियन यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, 1.4 मिलियन होगा. 1.4 मिलियन लोकेशंस आर आइडेंटिफाइड इन human with single base DNA difference. Scientists have identified 1.4 million locations where single base DNA differences in SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphism, occurs in humans. The cell junction responsible for the beating of cardiac muscle as unit is. Answer will be A. Intercalated gap junction forms channels between adjacent cardiac muscles fibers. Intercalated discs are part of the sarcolemma and contain two structures important in cardiac muscle contraction: gap junctions and desmosomes. The genes which remain confined to non-homologous region of Y chromosome are called answer B Hollandric genes. The genes located on non-homologous region of the Y chromosome are called as a Y-linked or Hollandric gene, and their inheritance has a Y-linked inheritance. Since the Y chromosome is present only in males, these genes are inherited to all male progeny, thus called a Hollandric gene. The abnormal condition when the vestigial mammary glands of man become female-like is called answer D. Gynecomastia. Okay. Gynecomastia is the development of enlarged breast in males. The term comes from the Greek gyne means woman and mastos means excess, meaning breast. It is due to excessive secretion of female sex hormones estrogen in males. Decreased levels of testosterone may also lead to gynecomastia. Read the following four statements and select the option which includes all the corrects only. Okay, तो आंसर हमारा होगा डी. ए एंड बी जो है करेक्ट है, बाकी सी और डी जो है गलत है. ये यहाँ पे कह रहा है सिंगल सेल स्पाइरुलिना कैन प्रोड्यूस लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ फूड रिच इन प्रोटीन मिनरल्स विटामिन सी टी सी. बी यहाँ पे है बॉडी वेट वाइज द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स मिथाइलोफिलस मिथाइलोट्रोपस मे बी एबल टू प्रोड्यूस सेवरल टाइम्स मोर प्रोटीन्स देन द काउज पर डे. और सी और डी यहाँ पे गलत होगा. कॉमन बटन मशरूम आर वेरी रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी गलत है. और राइस वेराइटी हैज बीन डेवलप्ड विथ वेरी रिच इन कैल्शियम तो नहीं, विटामिन ए के होता है. कॉमन बटन मशरूम इज अ रिच सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड आर यूज्ड एज अ नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन डाइट. सोर्स राइस वेराइटी हैज बीन डेवलप्ड विच इज वेरी रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए एंड आयरन. Which of the following bone does not articulate with any other bones of the body? Answer D. Hyoid bone. The hyoid is unique in that it does not articulate with other bones. The tongue is attached to the hyoid, the styloid process of the temporal bones, and the mandible. The thermostable enzyme Taq polymerase used in PCR is obtained from answer C. Thermus aquaticus. Taq polymerase generally used in PCR is isolated from thermophilic bacterium Thermus aquaticus. This enzyme remains active at a very high temperature and is not destroyed during high temperature in PCR. Which one of the following is the characteristics of biological community? Answer A. Stratification. ये भी जो क्वेश्चन आ चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. द characteristics of biological community are dominance, species diversity, trophic organization, stratification, dynamism, and sustainability. Organisms are not uniformly distributed throughout a community. They usually occur in different zones. This spatial arrangement of populations is called stratification. Natality, mortality, age structure, and sex ratio are the basic characteristics of a population. Sickle cell anemia is caused by the substitution of GLU by valine at the sixth position of the beta globulin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. Answer will be D. Valine. Sickle cell anemia is an example of point mutation in which base substitution occurs in beta chain of hemoglobin. At sixth position, amino acid is glutamic acid specified by codon GAG. Mutation results in change in codon to GUG which specifies amino acid valine. तो ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है हर मॉक टेस्ट में लगभग आ ही जाता है, तो सिकल सेल में इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. The structural and regulatory proteins of muscles are answer D. Structural actin और regulatory जो है वो troponin है. Actin, a protein that makes up most of the thin myofilament in a sarcomere muscle fiber. Troponin, a regulatory protein that binds to actin, tropomyosin, and calcium. Tropomyosin, a regulatory protein that covers myosin binding sites to prevent actin from binding to myosin. The shape of seed and starch grain size in Pisum sativum is controlled by gene capital B small b. So the inheritance of seed shape shows in relationship while the inheritance of starch grain show. तो आंसर हमारा होगा सी, यानी कि सो द इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ सीड शेप सोज डोमिनेंट रिसेसिव रिलेशनशिप व्हाइल द इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ स्टार्च ग्रेन शो इनकम्प्लीट। तो जो स्टार्च ग्रेन है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में भी आ चुका है। द शेप of seed and starch grain size in Pisum sativum is controlled by gene capital B small b, which shows pleiotropic effect. Gene capital B small b shows dominant recessive effect for seed shape and it shows incomplete dominance for starch grain size. Gene capital B small b produces starch branching enzyme which shows multiple pleiotropic effect. The adrenocorticotropic hormone secreted by anterior pituitary stimulates the secretion of answer A. Glucocorticoids from adrenal gland. Example explanation. Adrenocorticotropic hormone promotes the synthesis and secretion of glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids are potent inhibitors of inflammatory process and are used in the treatment of asthma. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Answer A. In birds, the chromosome composition of the sperm determines the sex of progeny. Okay. तो स्पर्म नहीं करता है, यहाँ पे जो फीमेल है ओवा डिटरमाइन करता है, इसलिए गलत होगा। बी यहाँ पे कह रहा है सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस इज मेंडेलियन डिसऑर्डर, सही है। इंक्रीज इन होल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोजोम इज एन ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नोन एज पोलिपॉइडी और डाउन सिंड्रोम इज इन क्रोमोजोमल डिसऑर्डर एंड इज ड्यू टू ट्राइजोमी ऑफ 21st क्रोमोजोम। ये डाउन सिंड्रोम है वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, हर लगभग हर टेस्ट में आ ही जाता है। इन बर्ड्स जेडब्ल्यू मैकेनिज्म ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इज ऑब्जर्व इन विच female is heterogametic and produces two types of gamete. Male has ZZ chromosome and is homogametic and produces only one type of gametes. The sex of the progeny is determined by female gamete. Carbohydrates are the most abundant biomolecules present on Earth. They are produced by answer A. Some bacteria, algae, and green plant cells. Carbohydrates are organic compounds synthesized by chlorophyll containing photosynthetic cells of some bacteria, algae, and green plant cells. Certain phototropic bacteria, example green sulfur bacteria and purple sulfur bacteria, contain pigments like chlorobium, chlorophyll, and acetiochlorophyll respectively that helps them in photosynthesis. Which of the following structure has the highest concentration of cone cells? Answer A. Fovea centralis. A circular field of approximately 6 mm around the fovea is considered. The central retina has abundance of cone cells. Enzymes having slightly different molecular structures but performing similar activity are. Answer will be B. Isoenzymes. Enzymes having slightly different molecular structures but performing identical activities are called isoenzymes. Over 100 enzymes are known to have isoenzymes. Thus, amylase of wheat endosperm has 16 isoenzymes, lactic dehydrogenase and 5 isoenzymes in man. Which of the following phylum have organisms that are exclusively marine? Answer B. Echinodermata. Members of this phylum are found in the ocean and never been reported in freshwater resources like river, stream, etc. Prophase 1 of meiosis is a long and complex phase in which many events occurs. Arrange the following events of meiosis in the correct sequence and select the correct option. Answer will be फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे करेक्ट सीक्वेंस बताना तो सबसे पहले होगा सेकेंड यानी कि सिनेप्सिस, उसके बाद फर्स्ट यानी क्रॉसिंग ओवर, देन थर्ड टर्मिनेशन ऑफ कैजमाटा और फोर्थ डिसअपेयरेंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोलस। प्रोफेज वन, ये प्रोफेज वन जो है वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आ चुका है। प्रोफेज वन ऑफ म्योसिस हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 सब स्टेजेज which occurs in sequences as leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin, and diakinesis. Synapsis, that is pairing of homologous chromosome occurs during zygotene. Crossing over, that is exchange of chromatid segments, occurs during pachytene. termination of chiasmata, that is shifting of chiasmata towards the end of chromosomes, and complete reappearance of nucleotides takes place during diakinesis. 78. All the following pairing of type of estivation and its example is incorrect except आंसर सी जो है वो हमारा सही है. इम्ब्रिकेट में होते हैं Cassia and Gulmohar. Okay, imbricate estivation is observed in Cassia and Gulmohar. The axillary estivation is present in members of Fabaceae family like pea and bean. Aloe vera and tulip are members of Liliaceae family, which shows violet estivation. China rose and ladyfinger has twisted, but Calotropis has velvet estivation. Select the correct matching. कॉलम फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड ए अल्टरनेट. फर्स्ट चाइना रोज मस्टर्ड यहाँ पे है, तो फर्स्ट का अल्टरनेट का होगा वन, यानी कि चाइना रोज मस्टर्ड सनफ्लावर. होल्ड का होगा सेकंड, यानी कि एस्टोनिया, और अपोजिट का होगा कैलोट्रोपिस एंड गुआवा. इसका भी हमने ट्रिक बना रखा है, तो आप देख सकते हैं चैनल पे. When single leaf flower from each node is called as alternate, observed in China rose, mustard, sunflower. When more than two leaves develops from each node, it is called as hold, observed in Estonia. When two leaves develops from each node, it is called opposite, observed in Calotropis and guava. सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट मैचिंग. आंसर डी इडिबल ऑयल सोयाबीन ग्राउंडनट कोल्जिसिन गलत है, कोल्जिसिन यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. बाकी ऑर्नामेंटल में आते हैं ट्यूलिप, ग्लोरेसा, लुपिन, स्वीट पिटूनिया भी आते हैं, और मेडिसिन में आते हैं मुलट्ठी, बेलाडोना और एलोवेरा. फॉर्डर में आते हैं सस्पेनिया और ट्राइफोलियम सही है. इडिबल ऑयल इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम सोयाबीन एंड ग्राउंड नट विच आर मेंबर्स ऑफ फैमिली फेबेसी. कोल्जिसिन इज मेंबर ऑफ लिलियसी फैमिली फ्रॉम which and alkaloid colchicum is obtained which is used to inhibit a spindle fiber formation during metaphase of cell division to produce polyploidy cells. Daughter cells formed after mitosis resemble to their mother cell, but daughter cells formed after meiosis differ from mother cell. Answer will be D, more than one option is correct. यानी कि mitosis is a equational division in which the daughter cells formed are identical to parent cells in quantity and quality of chromosomes. Meiosis is a reduction division, okay, in which the cell produced have half the number of chromosomes than parent cell, and crossing over brings about variation. Okay, इसलिए more than one quantitatively होगा, qualitatively भी होगा. Which of the following cell organelle of the eukaryotic cell shows fission? Answer will be D, plastids. Plastids divides by fission into form proplastid, which further develops to form different type of plastid required by the cell. Mitochondria and plastid are similar, and both divides by fission to increase their number. Read the students 1 to 3. तो यहाँ पे कर हाउ मेनी द गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. फर्स्ट टाइप कर रहा है आउटर एंड इनर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हैज इट्स ऑन स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम. सेकेंड, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज द साइट ऑफ एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, सही है. थर्ड, यहाँ पे द स्ट्रोमा कंटेन्स डिफरेंट एंजाइम्स फॉर ट्राई कार्बोक्सिलिक साइकिल. ओके, तो कह रहा है यहाँ पे कि द स्ट्रोमा इज फुल फ्लूइड ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. ओके, यानी कि यहाँ पे थर्ड गलत है, बाकी फर्स्ट सेकेंड सही है. Okay, stroma is the fluid of chloroplast which contains the enzyme for process of Calvin cycle of photosynthesis. Tricarboxylic acid is Krebs cycle, and all enzymes for Krebs cycle are present in matrix of mitochondria. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो तो फिल रेड कर लेते हैं, आंसर हमारा डी होगा. बोथ centrioles in a centrosome lie perpendicular to each other, and each of them contains triplet peripheral fibril, so 9 plus 0 array is present. Which of the following plant growth regulator is known as stress hormone? Answer will be A, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid prepares plants to cope with stress conditions like drought etc. by inducing stomatal closure and other reactions. Hence, it is named stress hormone. Sorry. Male gametes in the angiosperms are formed by, answer D, Mitotic division in generative cell. In angiosperm, pollen grain is the male gametophyte which undergoes mitosis to form a larger vegetative cell and a smaller generative cell. The generative cell that undergoes mitosis to form two small spindle-shaped male gametes. Pollination by water is answer D all the way and rare in flowering plants. Limited about 30. Okay, 30 genera. Okay, most of the genera are monocotyledons. Okay, यहाँ पे 30 में बहुत कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि 30 जनरा था या 50 था, तो आप W को अगर थोड़ा सा टिल्ट करेंगे तो 3 बन जाएगा. ओके, तो 30 लिख सकते हैं, 30 genera. ओके, ट्रांसफर ऑफ pollen फ्रॉम एंथर लोब टू स्टिग्मा इज कॉल्ड एज pollination. Abiotic agents for pollination are air and water. Most plant uses air as agent of pollination. Pollination by water is rare in flowering plants and it is restricted to only 30 genera, mainly monocots. Acid rain is caused because of answer A, excess NO2 and SO2 released from burning of soil fuels. Okay. In acid rain, pH of rainwater is less than 5. Acid rain is caused by large-scale emission of acidic gases into the atmosphere from thermal power plants, industries, and automobiles. The common ones are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, NOx. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are changed in the atmosphere into sulfuric acid and nitric acid by combining with oxygen and water, which then falls on earth in the form of acid rain. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Answer will be ozone is upper part of atmosphere is bad ozone and harmful to ozone animals. ये हमारा गलत है और बाकी ए सी डी सही है. Most of the forests have been lost in the tropical areas. Green effect is greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon which hits the earth's atmosphere. और डी है यहाँ पे eutrophication is a natural phenomenon in freshwater body which causes natural aging of lakes. Ozone present in upper atmosphere forms a distinct layer that is known as ozone layer. Ozone layer is necessary for the survival of life on Earth as it blocks harmful UV rays of sun from reaching Earth's surface. Bad ozone is pollutant which is present in lower atmosphere in troposphere. लास्ट क्वेश्चन बायो का. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज स्टेटोसिस्ट एज बैलेंसिंग ऑर्गेन. तो होते हैं हमारे एर्थोपोडा में. आंसर होगा सी, पिलोरोब्रैंकिया. द लार्जेस्ट सिंगल सेंसरी फंक्शन इन द एबोरल ऑर्गेन एट द opposite end of the mouth. This is the main component of statosis, a balance sensor consisting of a statolith, a teeny grain of calcium carbohydrate supported on 4 bundles of cilia called balancers that sense its orientation. ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे बायो क्वेश्चन. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. सारे मॉक टेस्ट के ऐसे ही आपको रिवीजन वीडियो मिल जाएंगे जब तक टेस्ट आएगा तब तक. और पीडीएफ के लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स देख लेना. आप नीट एनसीईआरटी वाला जो यूट्यूब चैनल तो है ही, और साथ साथ टेलीग्राम चैनल पे ही आप वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट केमिस्ट्री का. पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट इज यूज्ड. आंसर हमारा डी होगा. एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इट ऑक्सीडाइजेज फेरस आयंस इनटू फेरिक आयंस इन एसिडिक मीडिया. तो जो केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चंस है उसका मैं जो है एक्सप्लेनेशन शो कर दूंगा. आप एक बार पॉज करके देख लेना. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. FeH2 holds 6 2 plus and FeCl6 4 minus differ in. Answer B, magnetic moment and color. Okay, next. 0.5 molar solution of ethylene glycol in water is used as a coolant in car. If the freezing point depression constant of water is 1.86 degrees Celsius kg per mole, the mixture will freeze at answer B minus 0.93 degrees Celsius. The number of isomers including stereo isomers of C5H10 are answer D 13. The correct statement regarding RNA and DNA respectively is answer B. The sugar component in RNA is ribose and the sugar component of DNA is 2-deoxyribose. What is the final concentration of all the ions when the following are mixed? Okay, answer will be B. In a reaction, the initial concentration of the reactant increases four-folds and rate becomes 8 times of its initial value. Order of reaction is answer will be D 1.5. Which of the following amino acid is essential? Answer A valine, LLTTVIMP, इसी में से essential होंगे. The aqueous solutions of the following salts will be colored in the case of answer will be CCrCl3. The rate of decomposition of methyl nitrite and ethyl nitrite can be given in terms of rate constant K1 and K2 respectively. The energy of activation for the two reactants are 152.30 and 157.7 kJ per mole, as well as frequency factors are 10 to power 3 and 10 to power 4, 10 to power 13 and 10 to power 14 respectively for the decomposition of methyl and ethyl nitrite. Calculate the temperature at which rate constant will be same for the two reactions. Answer will be 282 Kelvin. An example of halide ore is answer D cryolite. क्रायोलाइट का जो फॉर्मूला होता है हमारा ये होता है ANa3AlF6. तो हाइलाइड और हो गया, गैलेना PbS और सिनेबार HgS सल्फाइड और बॉक्साइट हो गया ऑक्साइड और. In which the following octahedral complexes of cobalt will be a magnitude of delta del naught is the highest? Answer will be A COSCN6 3 minus. For a real gas obeying van der Waals equation, a graph is plotted between PVM y-axis and p-x-axis, where Vm is molar volume. Y-intercept of the graph is answer A RT. Which among the following is not true for hydrolysis of T tertiary butyl bromide with aqueous NaOH? Answer C. Rate of the reaction doubles when the concentration of alkali is doubled. The active mass of solid is generally taken as answer B equal to 1. How many benzylic hydrogen atoms are present in mesitylene? Answer A 9. When molten zinc is cooled to solid state, it assumes HCP structure. Then the number of nearest nearest neighbors of zinc atoms will be answer D 12. A compound that gives a positive iodoform test is answer C 2-pentanone. Assume each reaction is carried out in an open container for which reaction will delta H equal to delta E. Answer D H2 gas plus Br2 gives 2HBr gas. The common feature among the species Cn minus Co and No plus are answer A bond order 3 and isoelectronic. Which of the following does not apply to bonding in metals? Answer D highly directed bonds. Equal volumes of three strong acid solutions of pH 3 4 and 5 are mixed in a vessel. What will be the H plus ions concentration in the mixture? Answer will be D 3.7 10 to the power minus 4 m. Limestone is added in the extraction of lead from galena. Why? Answer D all of the above. And it prevents the formation of PbSO4. It removes the impurity of silica as fusible slag, or it converts lead silicate to lead oxide. Mixture containing aqueous Li plus Na plus K plus ions are electrolyzed. Cations are discharged at cathode in the order easiest at the end. Answer will be D Na plus K plus and Li plus. Organic liquid vaporizes at temperature below its boiling point in steam distillation because answer A mixture boils when sum of vapor pressure of water and organic liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. In curing cement plaster, water is sprinkled from time to time. This helps in answer B developing interlocking needle-like crystals of hydrated silicates. The function of sodium pump is a biological process operating in each and every cell of all animals. Which of the following biologically important ions is also a constituent of this pump? Answer C K plus. The main product of the following reaction is कौन का H2SO4 का रिएक्शन करवा रहा है? आंसर होगा बी और ये रहे एक्सप्लेनेशन सेटजेफ रूल के अनुसार। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज इनकरेक्ट फॉर अ होमोलोगस सीरीज? आंसर डी, ऑल मेंबर्स हैव द सेम फिजिकल properties. The amount of silver deposited by passing 241.25 coulomb of charge through silver nitrate solution is answer C, 0.27 gram. Reaction यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है is used for commercial propagation of bromine from its salt. Suppose we have 50 ml of 0.60 m solution of NaBr. What volume of a 0.50 m solution of Cl2 is needed to react completely with the Br? Answer will be D, V equal to 300 ml. The enthalpies of the elements in their standard states are assumed to be answer A, 0 and 298 Kelvin. The percentage of lanthanides and iron respectively in mixed metal are answer D, 95 and 5. Which of the following gives an explosive RDX on nitration? Answer D, eurotropine. ClO2 is an answer C, mixed anhydride of HClO2 and HClO3. In if n equal to 6, the correct sequence for filling of electrons will be answer A, ns, ns n minus 2f and n minus 1d or np. Lesson test is used in qualitative analysis to detect answer D, all of the above. यानी कि नाइट्रोजन भी होंगे, सल्फर भी होंगे और क्लोरीन भी होंगे। ओके, लेसन में एन भी आ रहा है, सल्फर एस भी आ रहा है और सी नहीं आ रहा है, तो सी या क्लोरीन याद रखना। ओके, the ease of dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide with alcoholic KOH is answer B, 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. What is the minimum pH required to prevent the precipitation of ZnS in a solution that is 0.01 m ZnCl2 and saturated with 0.10 mH2S? Answer will be 1. Which of the following statements is are true? ओके, तो आंसर होगा 1 2 3 जो है वो करेक्ट है और 4 हमारा गलत है। pH 5 and BiCl5 does not exist. P pi D pi bond is present in SO2 and I3 plus has bent geometry. और ACF4 and CH4 have same shapes, ये गलत होगा। The one which is tetrabasic is answer D, pyrophosphoric acid. For an ideal solution of two components A and B, which of the following is true? Answer C, AA, BB and AB and interactions are identical. हाइड्रोकार्बन H2 और Na के साथ करवा तो क्या बनेगा? तो आंसर होगा डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज। यानी कि साइक्लोप्रोपेन भी बनेगा CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 और CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH3, यानी कि साइक्लिक भी बनेगा, डबल बॉन्ड भी और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड तीनों बनेंगे। The arrangement of Cl minus ions in CSCl structure is answer D, simple cubic. They the key step in Canonizzaro reaction is the intermolecular shift of answer B, hydride ion. ओके, तो सारे थे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस। ओके, वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना। आते हैं फिक्स पे। यहाँ भी हम केवल क्वेश्चन और आंसर बताएंगे और एक्सप्लेनेशन शो कर देंगे। जिन्हें एक्सप्लेनेशन देखना होगा आप वीडियो पॉज करके देख सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन है, द नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस डन बाय एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 1 सेकेंड in the first orbit of a hydrogen atom is answer A, 6.57 10 to the power 15. Given a sample of radium 226 having a half life of 4 days, find the probability a nucleus disintegrates after 2 half lives. Answer B, 1 by 2. A ball of mass m moving at a speed v makes a head-on collision with an identical ball at rest. The kinetic energy of the balls after the collision is 3 by 4th of the original. What is the coefficient of restitution? Answer B, 1 by under root 2. A spaceship traveling in the interstellar medium is picking up dust at a rate of dm by dt equal to alpha v, where alpha is the positive constant, v is the instantaneous velocity, and m is the total mass of the spaceship at any instant. The instantaneous acceleration of the spaceship is, answer will be minus alpha v square by m. A ball of mass m equal to 0.5 kg is attached to the end of a string having length L equal to 0.5 meter. The ball is rotated on a horizontal circular path about the vertical axis. The maximum tension that the string can bear is 3 to 4 Newton. The maximum possible value of the angular velocity of ball is, answer will be D36. A car is moving on a circular level road of the radius of curvature 300 meter. If the coefficient of friction is 0.3 and acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, the maximum speed of the car can have is in kilometer per hour. Answer will be C, 108 kilometer per hour. If E denotes electric field in a uniform conductor, I corresponding current through it, Vt is rate velocity of electrons, and P denotes thermal power produced in the conductor, then which of the following graph is correct? Is incorrect. Answer will be C. The resistance of a wire is R ohm. The wire is stretched to double its length, keeping volume constant. Now the resistance of the wire will become, answer will be A, 4 R ohm. An electric motor which is loaded has an effective resistance of 30 ohm and an inductive reactance of 40 ohm. If the motor is powered by a source with a maximum voltage of 420 volt, the maximum current is, answer will be 8.4 ampere. A uniform but time varying magnetic field B into T exists in a circular region radius A and is directed into a plane of the paper as shown. The magnitude of induced electric field at a point P outside the circular region at a distance R from the center of the circular region. Answer will be B, decreased as 1 by R. Okay, next. An electric dipole is placed at an angle of 30 degree with an electric field intensity 2 Newton per 5 Newton per coulomb. It experiences torque equal to 4 Newton meter. The charge on the dipole, if the dipole's length is 2 centimeter, his answer will be 2 meter coulomb. Two uniformly long charged wires with linear density lambda and 3 lambda are placed along x and y axis respectively. Determine the slope of electric field at any point on the line y equal to under root 3x. Answer will be C, 1 by 3 root 3. The time period of a satellite of Earth is 5 hours. If the separation between the Earth and the satellite is increased to 4 times the previous value, the new time period will become, answer will be A, 40 hours. The radius of the Earth is R. The height of a point vertically above the Earth's surface at which acceleration due to gravity becomes 1% of its value at the surface is, answer will be B, 9R. If the temperature of the sun were to increase from T equal to 2T and its radius from R to 2R, the ratio of radiant energy received on Earth is to what it was previously will be, answer D, 64. A Carnot engine working between 300 Kelvin and 400 Kelvin has 800 joule of useful work. The amount of heat energy supplied to the engine from the source agency will be 3200 joule. In the given figure, the area of the frictionless and movable piston is 1 meter square and it is being held in equilibrium by an external force. Now the external force is slowly removed due to that the piston displaces by L by 2 where L equal to 1 meter. The natural length of the ideal springs is L equal to 1 meter. Spring constant is given as K equal to 100 Newton per meter. Thus, the pressure of the gas in the final situation is, answer will be 100 Newton per meter square. A galvanometer with a scale divided into 100 equal divisions has a current sensitivity of 10 divisions per milliampere and a voltage sensitivity of 2 divisions per millivolt. The galvanometer resistance will be answer B 5 ohm. Uh, an electron mass equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 13, charge equal to minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, experiences no deflection if subjected to an electric field of 3.2 into 10 power 5 volt per meter and magnetic field of 20 into 10 power minus 3 Weber per meter square. Both the fields are normal to the path of electron and to each other. If the electric field is removed, then the electron will revolve in an orbit radius. Answer will be C 0.45 meter. Calculate the real angle of dip if a magnet is suspended at an angle of 30 degree to the magnetic meridian. The deep needle makes an angle of 45 degree with horizontal. Answer will be A tan inverse under root 3 by 2. The x and y coordinates of particle at any time t are given by x equal to 7t plus 4t square and y equal to 5t, where x and y are in meter and t in second. The acceleration of the particle at t equal to 5 seconds each. Answer will be 8 meter per second square. A large number of bullets are fired in all directions with the same speed v. What is the maximum area on the ground on which these bullets will spread? Answer B pi b to the power 4 g square. A body of mass 50 kg is suspended using a spring balance inside a lift at rest. If the lift starts falling freely, the reading of the spring balance is answer D equal to 0. A normal reaction on a body placed in a lift moving up with constant acceleration 2 meter per second is 120 Newton. Mass of the body is take g equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer A 10 kg. 1 milligram of matter converted into energy will give answer C 9 to 10 to power 10 joule. A radioactive disintegration, the ratio of the initial number of atoms to the number of atoms present at an instant of time equal to its mean life is answer C E. 27. A particle of mass 3 kg attached to a spring with force constant 48 Newton per meter executes simple harmonic motion on a frictionless horizontal surface. The time period of oscillation of the particle in seconds is answer B pi by 2. A point performs simple harmonic oscillation of period t and the equation of motion is given by x equal to a sine omega t plus 5 by 6. After the elapse of what fraction of the time period the velocity of the point will be equal to half of the maximum velocity. Answer will be t by 12. Huygens wave theory of light could not explain answer A photoelectric effect. At its closest approach, the distance between the Mars and the Earth is found to be 60 million kilometers. When the planets are at this closest distance, the time it would take to send a radio message from a space probe of the Mars to the Earth is answer B 200 seconds. A block of wood floats in fresh water into two-thirds of its volume submerged in oil. The block floats with one-fourth of its volume submerged. The density of oil is answer A 266.7 kilogram per meter cube. An ideal fluid flows through a pipe of circular cross section with diameters 5 cm and 10 cm as shown in the figure. The ratio of velocity of fluid at A and B is answer A 4:1. An astronomical telescope has an angular magnification of magnitude 5 for an object. The separation between the objective and eyepiece is 36 centimeter. The final image is formed at infinity. The focal length f0 of the objective and fe of the eyepiece are answer will be D 30 centimeter and 6 centimeter. A compound microscope having magnifying power 35 with its eyepiece of focal length 10 cm assume that the final image is at least distance of distinct vision Then the magnification produced by the objective is answer D minus 10. When a ceiling fan is switched off, its angular velocity falls to half whilst it makes 36 rotations. How many rotations will it make before coming to rest? Answer will be D 12. If a body is lying in yz plane, then according to the theorem of perpendicular axis, the correct expression will be answer C Ix equal to Iy plus Iz. With forward bias modes, the PN junction diode answer C act as closed switch. A transistor is used as an amplifier in common base mode with a load resistance of 5 kilo ohm. The current gain of the amplifier is 0.98 and the input resistance is 70 kilo ohm. The voltage gain is answer A 70. The total kinetic energy of a mixture of 4 gram H2 and 4 gram helium at 300 Kelvin is answer will be C 1950 R. The SI unit of a specific heat capacity is answer D joule per kg per Kelvin. In Young's double slit experiment, the fringe width is found to be 0.4 mm if the whole apparatus is immersed in water of refracting index 4 by 3 without disturbing the geometrical arrangement. The new fringe width will be answer will be A 0.30 mm. In a double slit experiment, the distance between slits is increased 10 times, whereas their distance from screen is halved. Then the fringe width, answer A, becomes 1 by 20th. If the end correction of an open pipe is 0.8 centimeter, then the inner radius of that pipe will be, answer will be 2 by 3 centimeter. A transverse wave pulse is generated at the free end of a string which is hanging from a rigid support. The speed of the wave pulse at distance x from the free end is proportional to, answer will C under root x. A particle moves with a velocity 5 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 6 cap meter per second under the influence of a constant force F equal to 10 I cap minus 10 j cap plus 20 cap Newton. The instantaneous power applied to the particle is answer C 200 watt. ओके तो ये सारे थे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और नए व्यूअर्स तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना ऐसे ही वीडियो आने के लिए। ओके, और जिन्हें पीडीएफ चाहिए वो ज़रूर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लेना। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।